Good morning, class 11th. Accountancy, question number 1. Accounting equation. I told you that accounting equation depends upon asset, capital and liability. Three terms of accounting are important for understanding the accounting equation. A equal to C plus L. We can say C plus L equal to A, C equal to A minus L, L equal to A minus C. A stands for asset, C stands for capital, L stands for liability. I told you assets are valuables of the business, long term and short term assets. These all are the assets. Cash, stock, debtor, furniture. Capital is the amount invested by businessmen at the time of commencement of business. Liabilities are the obligations which we are paying in the future. Assets are always have debit balance. Capital and liabilities are having credit balance. So debit equal to credit. Dual concept of accounting is followed while making accounting equation. In this question number 1, business started with rupees 2 lakh. 2 lakh rupees are coming in the business in the form of capital. So we shall write capital rupees 2 lakh and cash rupees 2 lakh. Cash is asset and capital is capital. Second step is goods purchase for cash 40,000 rupees. Goods means stock, not sold. It is purchased but not sold. Stock is asset. Second asset is stock. Earlier we are having only one asset. Now we are having two assets, cash and stock. Cash was 2 lakh rupees, out of which 40,000 goods are purchased. Now cash is decreased by 40,000, so it is now 1,60,000 and there is no change in the capital. So goods purchase for cash. Third, goods sold on credit because name is given. So credit, if we are selling the goods on credit, there shall be debtor. I told you debtor are the person who will pay to us in future for rupees 12,000. So debtor is asset, stock is asset, cash is asset. Three assets are now. Cash 160 as it is. Stock was 40,000, out of which 10,000 stock is sold. So stock is now 40 minus 10, 30,000. Sold for 12,000. Debtors will pay 12,000 to us in future, and 2,000 rupees is a profit shall be added to the capital. Profit always added to the capital and loss is deducted from the capital. So this is the third step. In the fourth step, furniture purchase on credit. Furniture rupees 7,000. It is also asset. Debtor already we have 12,000. Stock we have 30,000. And cash we have 1,60,000. So there are four assets: cash, stock, debtor and furniture. Furniture is purchased on credit, so there shall be creditors. Creditors are the liabilities. So liability shall be 7,000 because we have to pay in future, and capital is as it is 2 lakh rupees. This is a total 2,09,000, 2,09,000. This question is of the accounting equation. Accounting equation depends upon A equal to C plus L. A means asset, C means capital, L means liabilities. So asset equal to capital plus liabilities. Make this type of format. There are 4 steps. So draw the 4 lines and make the adjustment of plus and minus. This is your answer. I told you accounting equation depends upon dual concept of accounting. This is debit side, asset side. This is credit side. Capital and liability is credit, asset is debit. So debit equal to credit always. Thank you very much. Practice this question.